Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check stickers on TikTok. So if you want to create more engaging TikTok videos, you can use stickers, and this tutorial will show you how you can find, check and use stickers on TikTok to elevate your creativity and make your content stand out. So let's just start by launching the TikTok application, and in here let's just click on the plus icon at the bottom, and you can choose to create a photo or video here. For example, I'm going to just create a photo, so you can just take it like this. And to check or find stickers, you can just click on this stickers icon at the right panel on the screen, and you'll see this is the sticker option. So there are various stickers that you can add, including hashtag, mention, donate, location, emoji, and here you can also add a timestamp stickers to your videos. And in here there are lots of sticker options that you can add to your TikTok videos or photos. You can just find the stickers in here. Here you can also choose the category at the bottom. You can see lots of options. There are arrow sticker, heart sticker, food, or I don't know what is this. And there's also this one. So you can just choose the stickers that you want. For example, in here I'm going to add this arrow sticker first. Let's just add this one. You can adjust the position by dragging it like this, and you can also add more than one by clicking on the sticker icon again. Okay, I'm going to add this heart sticker just like this. Don't forget to adjust the size and position to how you like it. Okay, after you add the stickers, you can tap on next and upload your TikTok videos. So that's how you can check stickers on TikTok to create a more engaging videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.